Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to increase mobile volume. Start by checking your phone's media and call volume sliders and disable Bluetooth output. Close apps that may override sound and reboot the phone if levels remain low. Inspect case or debris near speakers and test with headphones to isolate the issue. Follow these steps sequentially to find the simplest fix and keep adjustments safe for your hearing. Update your phone's operating system and any audio apps before trying complex fixes. Reset app permissions so apps can properly access the microphone and speaker hardware. Test different built-in equalizer presets and sound enhancement toggles to boost perceived loudness. If needed, clear app caches and force stop misbehaving apps. These software steps often resolve low volume without risking hardware damage or requiring extra accessories. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading easy on noisy commutes, so you can enjoy books without blasting your phone volume, which is handy. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Gently inspect speaker grills and microphone ports for debris that can muffle sound and clean them carefully. Remove any case that may cover or redirect audio, then retest volume. Try wired headphones to see if the issue is with the speakers or software. If speakers still sound weak, consider professional cleaning or repair. Always avoid sharp objects and use low-pressure air to protect delicate components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.